Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, tachometer, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats, front reading lamps, front bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.